So it is time to change my water filter. You can see the red light is on. So let's just do it. Let's see how difficult it is if I can do it by myself. And we do have a Samsung fridge, and this is how the filter looks like. If you don't have this light that tells you to change your filter, it does tell you on the instructions that you should just put it into a reminder or calendar that you need to change your filter after 6 months. We're gonna take the old one off, take the protective top off, and then it tells you to just put this one in place and turn clockwise until it locks in place. I need my 2 hands for this, and then you turn counterclockwise. It just comes out. Super, super easy. This is the old one. You wanna make sure it doesn't leak. You take off the top, and then you would just place this in, and then kind of push it in, turn it clockwise until it locks in place. So now it is locked, and that was super simple. So the final thing you do want to do is run the water for, it says 3 gallons or 5 minutes, so everything cleanses out and stuff. And then you just have to reset your filter. Filter reset 3 seconds, and then we're done. And then that's it. Ta-da! So that was super easy. The filter quality itself is super nice. The water tastes amazing. Always, we've been using them for 3 years, and they last us a long time. So yeah, definitely get these.